Sistamula. In this video, I would like to explain you about the getting started with the basic network administrator in the NetApp system manager. The main purpose of this video is to give an opportunity to configure network file system NFS and the common internet file system CIFS and a storage system. By the in this session, we will learn about the main things. They are the giving license to the NFS, exports a volume by using a system manager, export a volume by using the command line interface, mount exports from an administration host, and give a license to the CIFS service by using the NetApp system manager and configuring the CIFS services. And also in this, we create a new window domain user and we view and create shares by using the NetApp system manager, and we share the Windows computer management, and also we share the maps to the drive letters and modify user permissions, and we display the CIFS session and configure the SMB 2.0 protocol and terminate CIFS session. These are the main objectives that which we are going to do in this session. To give the license key to the NFS, we need to go to the configurations and system tools, and we need to go to the licenses. There you can find the add button, and you need to click on the add button, and you need to enter the key that which you want. This is the NFS key that we want to add in the add to create the NFS. Here you can see the added NFS key over in the licenses. And next we need to export a volume. In the left pane, you need to go to the storages and next to the exports and click on the create over there. Then you need to browse the file that which we have selected in the folders to exports, and expand the root and expand the aggr aggregate 0, and then you can see the volume 0 over folder over there, and you need to select the volume 0 folder, and at the selected you need to see whether the path is in the format functionality or not, and then click on the create. And also to export a volume, you can use the CLI, that which is known as the putty, and in order to make the changes you need to follow the document and the changes which they have given in the document, and you need to follow step by step over there. First of all, you need to enter the rd file space backslash etc and slash exports. You need to follow these complete steps so that you can export the file. As we added the NFS key, in the same way add the CIFS key also in the license. This is the CIFS key that which we are seeing, and enter the CIFS key in the blocks over here and click on the add button. After adding the license of the CIFS, you need to configure the CIFS services. For that, you need to go to the configurations and next click on the protocols and select CIFS. First, you won't see any configurations over there, and in order to add the configurations, you need to click on the setup, and there you need to add the permissions to the CIFS and select the multi protocol and then give the active directory permissions to it and click on next. Then you will see the CIFS permissions over here, and these are the permissions that which we have given, and it is shows that it is started. Then you need to go to the Windows server by going into the remote server administration tools feature. Log into the Microsoft Active Directory users and computer tools and create the users and give the roles permissions over there. The roles and permissions, you need to give the web server role over here, and you need to create an user. To create an user in the Windows server, go to the administrative tools and next go to the Active Directory users and computers and click on the users. Then you can see a new object to create the user is formed over here. Enter the first name and the full name and the user login name. Enter all the credentials which are necessary to enter. After clicking on the finish, you can see the formed users over here. After creating the users in the Windows server, then create shares folders in the NetApp system manager. Here in the Q trees, we create the NTFS Q trees, which is no, it is a nothing but a new technology file system. Then go into the storages and click on the Q trees and click on create. There you need to, in the boxes which are formed, there you need to give the name as the CIFS tree 1. In the volumes you need to give as the NAS volume. For the app locks, enable the app locks, and in the security style give it as a NTFS security and click on create. In the shares folders, you you can see the etc dollar and the c dollar folders over there, and you need to give permissions to the c dollar. On the shares page, click on create, then click on browse. Browse aggregate 1 and click on expand the NFS volume and select the CFS tree 1. There you can see the format path at the below that volume, S volume and CFS tree 1 over there. To give the administrative permissions to the NTFS queue tree, go to the administrative tools and computer managements, and there click on the actions and then select connect to the another computer. There you can see the box which is formed over here. To view the shared folders, you need to go to the system tools, shared folders and click on the shares. Then you can see the NAS volume folders and the C dollar folder over here. To view map shares to drive letters, click on the start, go to the computers, and by right clicking on there select the map networks over there, and in the folders path box click on the IP address of the storage as 10.3.10.6 and give CIFS underscore tree 1 and click on finish. There you can see that attempting to connect the folder over there. You can also modify the user permissions by logging into the putty and giving your IP address over here, and you can follow the remaining steps by looking into the documents. You can display the CIFS sessions in the NetApp and Command System Manager and Computer Manager by logging into the NetApp Manager. Select the diagnostics and over there select the sessions, and there you can click on the system tools